today's global business landscape, supply chains are facing unprecedented challenges due to rising geopolitical conflicts, such as the America-Iran tension. These disruptions impact transport systems, sourcing practices, and international business activities, especially for developing nations like Pakistan that rely heavily on energy imports and sea trade. Strategic location of the Strait of Hormuz, a critical chokepoint for global oil and cargo transportation, makes the region particularly vulnerable. Recent crises, including the COVID-19 pandemic, Russia, Ukraine war, and disruptions in Red Sea shipping, have exposed the fragility of traditional supply chain systems. As a result, organizations are shifting their focus from efficiency to resilience, aiming to sustain operations in highly uncertain environments. This scene sets the stage for understanding why resilient supply chains are now essential for survival and success. To address these challenges, organizations in Pakistan and similar economies are adopting strategic approaches like supplier diversification and digital supply chain capability. Supplier diversification involves sourcing from multiple suppliers across different regions, reducing dependency on any single source and mitigating risks from geopolitical disruptions. Digital supply chain capability leverages technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and real-time monitoring to enhance visibility and responsiveness. These digital tools help companies detect disruptions, optimize logistics, and coordinate procurement activities more effectively. However, the effectiveness of these strategies often depends on logistics flexibility, the ability to quickly adjust transportation routes, sourcing strategies, and delivery schedule. Flexible logistics systems enable firms to maintain continuity during economic sanctions, port disturbances, and fluctuating fuel prices. Together, these capabilities form the backbone of resilient supply chains, allowing organizations to adapt and thrive amid uncertainty. Dynamic capability theory provides the conceptual foundation for understanding how organizations build resilience in uncertain environments. This theory emphasizes the importance of adaptive abilities, integrating, building, and reconfiguring internal and external competencies to respond to external shocks. In the context of the America-Iran conflict, supplier diversification and digital supply chain capability are seen as dynamic capabilities that help firms adapt to geopolitical turbulence. Logistics flexibility acts as an operational capability, enabling organizations to adjust sourcing channels, transportation modes, and distribution processes. Theory also highlights the role of environmental uncertainty, suggesting that perceptions of geopolitical risk enhance the impact of logistics flexibility on supply chain resilience. For Pakistani firms, developing these adaptive capabilities is crucial for maintaining operational continuity and overcoming disruptions caused by external shocks. Empirical analysis using advanced statistical methods confirms that supplier diversification and digital supply chain capability significantly enhance logistics flexibility and supply chain resilience. Logistics flexibility not only directly improves resilience, but also mediates the relationship between strategic capabilities and resilience. Moreover, the perception of geopolitical risk strengthens the positive impact of logistics flexibility on resilience, making adaptive logistics systems even more critical under high uncertainty. These findings have practical implications for managers and policymakers. Pakistani companies should invest in diversified sourcing, digital transformation, and logistics innovation to build robust supply chains. Government support for infrastructure and digital communications can further promote national resilience. Ultimately, resilient supply chains are not just a competitive advantage, they are a necessity for survival in today's volatile global market. Conclusion: the study underscores the importance of strategic organizational capabilities in developing supply chain resilience amid geopolitical risks. Diversified supplier networks and advanced digital technologies enhance logistics flexibility, enabling organizations to maintain operational continuity during disruptions. The moderating role of geopolitical risk perception further highlights the need for adaptive logistics systems. Pakistani firms, investing in these capabilities is essential to navigate the challenges posed by international conflicts and trade uncertainties. Future research can expand this framework by exploring additional factors like organizational agility, risk management, and leadership adaptability. Comparative studies across countries and industries will also provide deeper insights into resilient strategies. As the global business environment continues to evolve, building resilient supply chains will remain a top priority for organizations seeking long-term sustainability.